Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll see how to install Anaconda and Python programming language onto your Windows system. So you have just started learning code and you have chosen Python as your programming language. That's a great choice, but how do you get started? Well, you need to download and install Python programming language onto your machine. And that's exactly what we'll be doing using Anaconda distribution. Now what is Anaconda? An Anaconda is an open distribution for Python and R programming language. In our case, we are gonna only look for Python programming language. Now what is open source? Open source is a free to access tool for developers and users so that they can code it. So let us begin with the installation process. Open your favorite browser and type in install Anaconda for Windows. Hit search and you will have many hits onto your browser. Click on the docs.anaconda.com and you will see the documentation that is available for installation of Anaconda on Windows. Here you can also see that installation is available on other operating system also. Click on the first step, that is download the Anaconda installer. It will open the Anaconda installer website, and from here you can click on the download button here. Click on the download button and you can see the installers are available for all the operating system. For Windows operating system we have a 32-bit and a 64-bit operating system. One thing to note here is select the Python with the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.7. If you have a 64-bit installer, 64-bit operating system, then select the 64-bit installer. If you have a 32-bit installer, select the 32-bit graphical installer. I have a 64-bit installer, so I'll select this installer. The download will start soon. So the download has started now. Once the download is over, you can see the installer into your download folder. Double click on this and the installer will begin. It says welcome to Anaconda. Click next to continue. Read through the documentation and the terms and conditions and the rest of the agreements. Click I agree. The installer can be done for just you and for all the users having admin privilege. Here I'm gonna install it only just for me as recommended. Click on next, select the download folder. The space required is 3 GB. Select next and click install. Now your installation has begun. Once the installation is done, you can see an Anaconda Navigator icon available onto your system. Double click the system and the Navigator will launch. It will take some time to initialize as it's the first time you're running onto your system. Now you can see that Anaconda Navigator is open onto my system. Click on the Jupyter Notebook. A Jupyter Notebook is the web-based interactive computing notebook environment which edits and runs Python code for data analysis and data science. It is also a unique feature of creating headings and comment documentations and markdown values for the reference of the program that you are running. Let's click on the launch button and this will launch the Jupyter Notebook where you can start with your Python programming. A browser page is open onto your Google Chrome. Here you can see you have the home page of your Jupyter Notebook. On the Jupyter Notebook, you can begin creating your Python code by selecting the Python 3, which will start a Python kernel where you can code and execute the Python code. Also, you can create folders and text file if required. So this much was for today's video. Now you have the Anaconda and Python programming language successfully installed into your system, and you can run the Jupyter Notebook to code Python codes and execute it. So happy codings, and thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.